What's going on, guys? It's body transformation expert Fitness with Flex, and I'm here today with Christian. You guys may know from watching episode 1 that Christian is actually one of our coaching program clients from New Jersey, and since we're in New York, he decided to stop by and do a personal training session with us on this day to make sure that his technique was 100% right. Now, at the filming of this video, this is probably like a year ago, so if you guys stay tuned to the end of this video, you guys are going to see a crazy transformation that Christian was able to do in only a year. In episode 1, we showed you a 3-month transformation, which was pretty good, but this one at the end is going to be crazy. So today here we're working on back, biceps, and abs. Now, many of you guys may ask, why is Christian just doing the bar with no weight? But the point of today is not to lift heavy weight, is just to focus primarily on the form and make sure that he's contracting the muscles that he's trying to target. As many of you guys may know from watching many of our videos, whenever you're doing back, you want to try to disengage the bicep as much as possible, even though it is going to help you, but you have to try to disengage as much as possible so you can get more back work in there. So you guys were seeing there, he's getting the full stretch all the way at the bottom of the movement in order to engage his back and then coming all the way up. Many people stop short and then the exercise just stays in their biceps. Now we're moving along here to biceps. Christian's arms are pretty well developed here, but we're fixing a little tweak here in his form. As he's coming up here, I'm telling him that he should turn his pinky in a little bit more. That way the inner part of his biceps get hit and you could show a little bit more peak there. So when he does that front double bicep, everyone's going to be able to see the big guns and the lines and everything right away. Now we're moving along here to hammer curls. The only adjustment here was that Christian was swinging the weights in the beginning a little bit, so we're just making sure that not only he's bringing it up, but he's also bringing it down. Many people just bring it up and let the weight bring their arm back down, but you always want to make sure that you have full control of the weight throughout the whole movement. Moving along here, now we're going to abs. Now, one of the best exercises for lower abs is this hanging leg raise exercise. So I'm explaining here to Christian that he wants to make sure that he's getting the full stretch at the bottom from his hip, as you can see right there, and then coming all the way up. If you're just lifting your leg straight up and down, you are going to get some ab work, but it's going to go a lot to your leg. So you want to make sure that you get kind of that hip stretch first and then come all the way up, kind of like in a circular motion, not just straight up and down. And here in our last exercise, he's doing ab crunches on the machine. And this is a pretty good machine. Now all gyms have this machine, but as you can see, he's kind of getting a stretch at the very beginning here, initiating the movement with the stretch and then coming all the way down. A lot of people don't get that stretch, and a lot of machines don't have that stretch, and it's very crucial in order to gauge the abs all the way from that stretch position all the way to the bottom. Now guys, stay tuned for Christian's amazing 1-year transformation, and if you guys are interested in a customized meal plan and a customized workout routine just like Christian, once again, it doesn't matter what state or country you're in, feel free to email me at flex713@gmail.com or just head over to the website FitnessWithFlex.com and you'll see the packages there along with amazing transformations. Now check out Christian's 1-year transformation here. This is purely amazing. When you're dedicated and you're following everything to a T and you know exactly what it is you have to do, you're going to see great results. All right, guys, till next time.